Hey guys, welcome to Login Apps. Today I'll be showing you how to sign into your Jasper AI account online on your Android device. And now let's start writing. Now to log into your Jasper AI account, or previously known as the Jarvis AI account on your Android device, first open up your preferred browser, as I will be opening with the internet browser. And after opening your preferred internet browser, tap on the search bar and type in the address jasper.ai like this and tap on go, and then you'll be redirected to the home page of the Jasper AI like this. You can also try it for free. Now, in order to log into your Jasper account, from over here at the top left corner of the screen, you can see the three line icon over there. Tap on that three line icon like this. And after that, you can see the login button available at the top of the list or just above pricing. Tap on that login button like this, and then you'll be taken to the login page of the Jasper AI. And now, in order to log into your email account, you can continue with Google if you tap on the continue with Google account button like this, and you'll be taken to the login page of the Jasper AI. But we'll not be doing that, we'll be entering our email address manually. And after you enter your email and tap on continue, a code will be sent to your email address. You can see you can choose to enter or open your Gmail box over from your directly. And after you enter your code over here like this and tap on verify, you'll be able to sign into your Jasper AI account from over here. And there guys, this is how you log into your Jasper AI account from your Android device. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.